To install apps on your Huawei Watch Fit 5 Pro is fairly simple. You're going to begin by opening up the Huawei Health app and selecting your watch. And then you want to scroll and select App Gallery. From here, once you've successfully selected App Gallery, you should see the list of available apps that you can install onto your watch. So say for example, you want to install a radio app or even an events app, all sorts of things, you can go ahead and do so. So find the app that you wish to install. And then all you need to do is simply select install and wait for it to be downloaded onto your watch. And then once it's successfully installed, all you need to do is simply go to the app screen on your watch and scroll and look for that specific app that you've just installed. You can be able to find it because the app icon is the same across your phone and the watch itself. So you can go ahead and select it, launch it, and start playing on your watch or using the app on your watch. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.